Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting parts and making the first electrical connections so signals behave predictably. First, seat the LM386 on the perf board. Once done, wire pin 6 to the 9V positive and pin 4 to ground to power the chip. Make sure to add a 10 μF decoupling capacitor across VCC and ground to filter noise. Use short wires and solder clean joints because poor soldering creates intermittent connections. This establishes a stable power foundation before you route input and output wiring. Next, focus on how the amplifier handles your audio signal and gain so it sounds clean. Connect the audio source through a 10 μF series capacitor into pin 3 to block DC and preserve dynamics. This protects the source and sets low-frequency roll-off. Then, set the LM386 gain by placing a resistor and capacitor between pins 1 and 8. For moderate gain, use a 10 ohm and 0.05 μF combination to stabilize highs. Also add a small cap from input to ground to tame RF and hiss. Test levels with low volume first. Finish by wiring the output and protecting the assembly so it lasts. Connect pin 5 through a 100 μF output capacitor to the positive terminal of the 8-ohm speaker. Tie speaker negative to ground. Once done, mount the board in a small insulated box, secure the battery, and leave a ventilation gap to prevent heat buildup. If you hear hum or no sound, first make sure polarity and power are correct. Then check for cold soldered joints and misplaced pins with your multimeter before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.